Discover cool Amazon gadgets for your home that bring convenience, style, and smart functionality to everyday life. A wireless charging alarm clock, a compact vanity desk with hidden storage, and a taco bar serving set are just a few of the must-have finds on this list. These Amazon best gadgets for home improvement will help you stay organized, save time, and make life easier. Whether it's space-saving organizers, high-tech cleaning tools, or must-have kitchen essentials, these innovative products are designed to enhance your space. Don't miss out on these hidden gems. Once you try them, you'll never want to go back. As always, links are in description. Get ready to transform your home with these game-changing Amazon gadgets. Wooden digital alarm clock. This wooden digital alarm clock is more than just a clock. It also works as a wireless charger. Simply place your phone on top, and it will charge overnight, helping to reduce messy cables. The brightness level can be adjusted from 0 to 100%, so it won't disturb your sleep. It also has dual alarms with weekday and weekend modes, making it easy to set up a schedule that fits your routine. 2 additional USB ports allow you to charge other devices without needing extra adapters. The sleek wooden design blends perfectly with any room decor, adding a modern touch. With a snooze button and customizable alarm volume, this clock is a great addition to any bedside for a neat and efficient setup. Spin mop bucket. This spin mop bucket system makes cleaning easier with its 360 degrees spinning feature, which helps remove excess water efficiently. Unlike traditional mops, this system allows floors to dry faster while requiring less effort. The 62-inch adjustable handle ensures a comfortable cleaning experience without the need for bending or straining your back. For built-in wheels and a handle, make it easy to move the bucket around without lifting. The set includes 6 microfiber mop heads, ensuring long-term use without frequent replacements. Suitable for tile, hardwood, or laminate flooring, this mop system is designed to handle tough messes with ease. The efficient design saves time and effort, making household cleaning tasks quicker and more effective while keeping floors spotless and streak-free. Taco bar serving set. This taco bar serving set is a must-have for taco nights, featuring a 30-ounce heated pot that keeps fillings warm while serving. The rotating Lazy Susan tray includes 6 compartments, making it easy to organize toppings for tacos, burritos, or nachos. 4 included taco holders keep everything in place, so there's no mess while assembling your meal. The dishwasher-safe design ensures quick and easy cleanup after use. Simply load your favorite ingredients and spin the tray for easy access to all toppings. The set is perfect for hosting gatherings, allowing guests to customize their tacos effortlessly. Whether for casual family dinners or special occasions, this taco bar serving set adds convenience and fun to every meal while keeping everything neat. Compact vanity desk. This compact vanity desk is a space-saving solution with a built-in lighted mirror that flips open to reveal 3 different color modes. It is perfect for small bedrooms, featuring a cushion stool that tucks neatly underneath. When closed, it transforms into a stylish nightstand, making it a versatile addition to any space. Inside, there's plenty of room to store makeup, jewelry, and other essentials, helping to keep your area clutter-free. The mirror's lighting can be adjusted with a simple touch, providing the perfect brightness for getting ready. 4 spacious drawers offer additional storage for beauty products and accessories. This vanity combines both functionality and style, making it an excellent choice for those who want a practical and elegant setup. Jewelry organizer. This jewelry organizer is a stylish, wall-mounted mirror that secretly hides a spacious jewelry storage compartment inside. When opened, it reveals dedicated spaces for necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and rings, keeping everything neatly arranged. The interior mirror with LED lighting provides the perfect brightness for selecting accessories and getting ready. The lockable design ensures that your valuables remain safe and secure while maintaining a clutter-free bedroom. Its elegant round shape adds a modern touch to any room decor, blending functionality with style. This organizer helps maximize space by keeping jewelry organized and easily accessible. Whether for daily use or special occasions, this hidden storage solution keeps accessories tangle-free while maintaining a sleek and minimalist appearance in your room. Stainless steel colander. This stainless steel colander is an expandable over-the-sink strainer that provides a convenient way to rinse fruits, vegetables, and pasta while keeping the kitchen mess-free. The fine mesh design prevents small food items from slipping through, ensuring a thorough rinse every time. Sturdy extendable handles allow it to fit securely over different sink sizes, freeing up counter space while preparing meals. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel, it is durable, dishwasher-safe, and easy to clean. This colander can also be used for draining, sifting flour, or even as a temporary storage basket on the countertop. The compact and practical design makes kitchen prep more efficient by providing a sturdy and reliable strainer that simplifies everyday cooking tasks. Pots and Pans Organizer. This Pots and Pans Organizer rack is designed to keep kitchen essentials neatly stored with 10 adjustable dividers that can hold lids, pans, and cutting boards securely. It can be used as one long rack or split into 2 smaller racks, depending on the available space. No more digging through cluttered cabinets. This organizer keeps everything upright and within easy reach. Anti-scratch protection ensures that cookware remains in excellent condition without any damage. The durable frame is suitable for cabinets, countertops, or drawers, offering a customizable solution for various kitchen layouts. By maximizing storage space, this organizer makes meal prep more convenient while keeping the kitchen tidy. It is a must-have for anyone looking to maintain an organized cooking space. Kitchen Knife Set. This kitchen knife set includes a complete collection of high-quality knives stored in a stylish block with a built-in sharpener to maintain sharpness. The stainless steel blades are designed for durability and precision cutting, making meal prep effortless. Ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during use. The set includes chef's knives, utility knives, scissors, and more, covering all kitchen cutting needs in one place. Resistant to rust and stains, these knives maintain their quality over time. Whether chopping, slicing, or dicing, this set ensures professional-level performance for everyday cooking. The elegant knife block keeps countertops organized while offering quick access to essential tools, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen. Human Dog Bed. This Human Dog Bed is an oversized, ultra-soft lounging spot made for relaxation. Designed with memory foam and plush vegan fur, it provides a cozy, cocoon-like experience that helps reduce stress and improve comfort. Supportive bolsters around the edges offer added neck and back support, making it perfect for reading, napping, or simply unwinding. The removable zippered cover makes cleaning effortless. Just unzip and toss it in the washing machine. Whether used by kids, adults, or even pets, this bed offers the ultimate relaxation spot without taking up too much space. The stylish and functional design fits seamlessly into any room, making it a cozy addition to a living space, bedroom, or entertainment area. Vegan Milk Maker. This Vegan Milk Maker is an easy-to-use machine that allows you to make fresh, plant-based milk with just one touch. Choose from almond, soy, oat, or other non-dairy options, and customize flavors without extra effort. Unlike traditional methods, there is no need to pre-soak ingredients, making the process much faster. The auto-clean function ensures hassle-free maintenance, while the Delay Start feature allows preparation in advance. Compact and efficient, this milk maker provides a healthier alternative to store-bought dairy substitutes. The sleek design saves kitchen space while delivering high-quality results. Whether for health-conscious lifestyles or dietary preferences, this machine makes it easy to enjoy fresh homemade milk anytime while keeping the kitchen organized and mess-free.